Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study your notes for a test. First, gather all your notes and organize them logically, perhaps by topic or date. This helps create a clear overview of the material. Next, quickly review everything to identify the main concepts and areas that might require more attention. Finally, establish a realistic study schedule, allocating specific times for each subject to ensure comprehensive coverage without feeling overwhelmed. Now, let's dive into active learning. Don't just reread your notes, actively test yourself. Create flashcards or use online quizzes to practice recalling information without looking at your notes. Then, try summarizing key ideas in your own words, either by writing them down or explaining them aloud. This process helps solidify your understanding and highlights any gaps in your knowledge, making your study time much more efficient. Moving on, it's crucial to apply what you've learned. Work through practice problems or past exams to simulate the test environment and understand question formats. Try to connect new information with what you already know. This builds a stronger mental framework. As you practice, pay close attention to any areas where you struggle. These are the topics that need additional review before the actual test day. For your final steps, prioritize getting adequate rest the night before your test. A well-rested mind performs significantly better. On test day, do a quick light review of your summaries and any particularly challenging points you identified. Remember, a calm mind is your best asset. Also, if you're looking to enhance your living space, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Good luck with your test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.